Hello people, my name is Rumani. Welcome back to our channel. I am founder of People Places Art Studio. कुछ समय पहले हमारे साथ काफी नए लोग जुड़े हैं. So officially you are part of our #PPAFam. #PPAFam. तो जो लोग हमारे साथ अभी जुड़े हैं, they are wondering that who exactly are #PPAFam. तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना हम आपको अपनी फैमिली से मिलवाएं. तो हमने कुछ मेंबर्स को मैसेज किया और हमने उनसे पूछा कि आखिरकार हमारे 1.5 साल के इस स्टूडियो एक्सपीरियंस के बाद उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा. सो लेट्स मीट आवर #PPAFam.
People Places Arts has quickly become my favorite place to test out new artistic ideas and get a feel for them. And this is one place where I can easily experiment with my art and play around with it while feeling completely at home.
So People Places Arts is like one of those artistic places that is very close to my heart. हमने शुरुआत अपनी जर्नी की, हमारे परफॉर्मेंसेस की, हमारे लाइफ की शुरुआत वहीं से करी है. तो वो हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही ऐसी जगह है जो काफ़ी करीब है हमारे दिल से. ग्रेटो म्यूज़िक की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. एंड उसके अलावा आई फील एवरीवन हु लव्स आर्ट, एवरीवन हु इज़ एन आर्टिस्ट देमसेल्फ, and everyone who loves seeing art should visit that place at least once.
Everybody there was so accepting of each other and they were so supportive of each other. It was really nice to be there. The whole vibe of the event was so warm, so comfortable, and I thank Rumani for making it that way.
It's one of my favorite places to be, when I want to perform or just see other people performing, it's mostly because of the vibe that there is at that place. Everything there is just perfect. You love it. If you're performing, you love the experience of performing, and if you're just there to enjoy the art, to sit back and relax, you love it.
And I think comfortable is the key word when it comes to People Places Arts, because Rumani does a wonderful job of organizing events there. But I think the most important thing is that you feel at home and you feel safe and you feel like, you're in a good place.
People's Places Arts is a venture that gives budding artists a platform to showcase their talents, and it helps us to be fearless and pursue our dreams with sheer dedication. When I was starting with my own venture, I was hunting for places, but the positive vibe that the PPA studio gave me instantly made me want to be a part of this family.
One thing that stood out for me was the worth of it. As an audience, I had been looking for a place that was affordable, and since I was paying for such an event for the first time, I was apprehensive about it, but I found it completely worth. And I also realized that if a person loves art, appreciates art, any form of it, whether they want to try it or whether they want to experience it, if you are the one who wants to experience anything like that, PPA is the place. It is the go-to place.
There's a lot of things, a lot of factors which make People Places Art stand out, and you always feel like going back to that place every weekend. Just feel like going back to that place and perform.
It has just been magical. I don't know, that vibe the place creates, and it's sort of a home for everyone who visits that place. Even if you have been there once, you'll feel like it's your family, it's your house, it's your home.
There is something about that space which really gets you going, and this is my personal theory, it's all about the intent with which it has been created. I think Rumani really has a very nice, noble intention for creating that space to support arts, all kinds of arts, and that is what really makes PPA the place special. PPA, the initiative, I have had the best of parties, the best of improv sessions, the best of music going in PPA. Great memories attached to the place. That is what PPA means to me. Nice, true, heartfelt memories spent in a place where you can just be yourself.
I got introduced to People Places Arts through a friend, and I'm so glad I got to know about it. Kudos to Rumani for creating such a beautiful, such a safe place for all the artists out there. I exhibited my art there and it was such a wonderful experience. Like, I got to meet so many new people and all the events that happen there are actually so nice.
People Places Art is one of the warmest, one of the most welcoming spaces I've ever been to in New Delhi. It's so beautiful with the kind of work they do, from stand-up comedy to theatre to what not.
I was introduced to People Places Arts about a year ago when I did my first ever tarot workshop, and since that day there's been no looking back. I kept coming back for all of my workshops, whether it was dance movement therapy, whether it was creating a sharing space or doing collaborations with PPA, doing events together. I've been back as a facilitator, I've been back as an audience member. I have worked with these guys, I've known Rumani, so connected with her so well.
You heard them. So what are you waiting for? Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and come see us at People Places Art Studio.